हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज विकी। ये हादसा मेरे साथ मेरे हाई स्कूल में हुआ था। हमारा स्कूल थोड़ा ओल्ड था और काफी बड़ा भी था। हमारे स्कूल में एक रूमर भी फैली थी कि यहाँ पे एक हॉन्टेड पेपर डफनेच। एक दिन हम लोग ने डिसाइड किया कि हम लोग ट्रूथ और डेयर खेलेंगे, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू चूज डेयर। माय फ्रेंड्स गेव मी द डेयर टू फाइंड आउट दोज हॉन्टेड पेपर्स। I don't know why I didn't I agree to do, but my friends forced me to do so. That night I was literally very scared. मैंने करीब 15 मिनट्स तक खोदा और मुझे वो पेपर मिल गया। I don't know in which language it was written. I feel that someone is behind, so I packed my things and just run from there. However, I reached them. I was really tired and thinking who was that following me. But my friends were happy and jumping. रॉकी ने कहा कि वो पेपर घर ले जाना चाहता है। हम लोगों ने उसे परमिशन दे दी। बट किसी को क्या पता था कि काल क्या होने वाला है। नेक्स्ट डे मैंने थोड़ी कसरत करने की सोची, बट व्हाट आई सी, अर्जुन came with bad news that Rocky is no more in this world. We went to Rocky's home sadly and memorizing the moments of Rocky. हमने पूछा व्हाट वाज द रीजन ही डाइड, तो पुलिस मैन ने रिप्लाई किया कि उसने सुसाइड किया था। मैंने पूछा आपके पास कोई प्रूफ है, तो उन्होंने वही हॉन्टेड पेपर दिया और कहा कि इस पे उसने सुसाइड नोट लिखा था। अर्जुन ने कहा कि वो पेपर वो घर ले जाना चाहता था। मैंने मंजूर किया। मैंने सोचा कि आज अर्जुन से जाके मिल लूं। But what I see there, the policemen have conclusion between Arjun's parents. However, I asked policeman what's wrong. He told that Arjun suicide. He got proof as a suicide note. मैंने सोचा कि मैं ये पेपर घर ले जाऊं। It was about 12 a.m. of night that I was busy in my laptop. मुझे फील हुआ कि कोई मेरा दरवाजा नॉक किया। I went to my main door and asked who was it, but no reply came. I thought any naughty child came and knocked my door in playful. I was very tired, so I just gone and sleep. Suddenly I heard a knock on my door. It woke up me. बहुत तेज से आवाज उसने मुझे जागा दिया था। Now literally I was very angry because that knock sound woke me up at 2 a.m. I asked who was there. Hopefully a voice came, but I don't. That voice was very different, means very creepy.
Open the door. Open the door.
I asked what do you want from me and replied,
I need those papers which are kept in your home.
asked why I should give it to you and reply came that was horrible.
Because they were my papers. Give it to me back.
I was in shock and I said okay मैं दरवाजा खोल रहा हूँ, but the reply came,
दरवाजा मत खोलो, मैं ऐसी ही अंदर आऊंगी।
When I first saw her I stepped back and I was asking who are you, and she replied,
I came for you. I will take you to the hell.
I felt dizzy and lay on the floor, but lastly I saw she was holding those papers. Next day I just woke up. I thought she would kill me, but not. I couldn't find those papers in my home. It means, जो भी yesterday हुआ वो सच था. I packed my bag and took a flight to New York. Whenever I memorized those moments I felt why I have took out those papers. Hope you like our story and subscribe our channel.